Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Wiyunita, student number 213100180. I will present here about e-commerce. What is e-commerce? E-commerce is integration of web and telecommunication technology for purpose of selling and buying product or service. E-commerce classification. E-commerce classification: excise, B2B or B2G, example McMaster, Fastenal. 2. B2C, example Flipkart, Jabong, etc. 3. C2C, example OLX, Shopee, Tokopedia, etc. And 4. C2B, example Elance.com. Type of e-commerce. Type of e-commerce: excise, business to business atau B2B, business to consumer or B2C, consumer to business or C2B, and consumer to consumer or C2C. E-commerce competition map in Indonesia. This data represent the number of monthly visitors to Tokopedia and Shopee, which jumped away from other e-commerce in the third quarter of 2021. The brand of e-commerce of Indonesia is Shopee, Tokopedia, Bukalapak, OLX, Lazada, Blibli, Fastpay, Tokomodern, and etc. Tokopedia is an Indonesian technology company specializing in e-commerce. It was founded in 2009 by William Tanuwijaya and Leontinus Alva Edison. Advantage of e-commerce. E-commerce can increase sales and decrease costs. Advertising done well on the web can get even small free promotional message out to potential customers in every country in the world. Business can use electronic commerce to identify new suppliers and partners. E-commerce increase the speed and accuracy with which business can exchange information, which reduce costs on both sides of transaction. E-commerce provides buyers with a wider range of choice than traditional commerce because buyers can consider many different products and services from a wider variety of sellers. Electronic payment of tax refund, public treatment, and welfare support. Costless to issue and arrive securely and quickly when transmitted over the internet. Disadvantage of e-commerce: 1. Less security. There are tools or options to hackers whereby they can not only monitor but also control any data communicated over the internet. 2. Less privacy. The buying pattern of a customer can be known to an e-shop with the help of certain sophisticated tools. 3. No physical proximity with item purchase. In certain cases, the customer cannot decide about buying a thing before they can physically examine it. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.